everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tell you simplification shortcut which is very useful to you in all competitive exams. So first I will tell you the concept, after that we do some shortcuts. So let's go to start one basic question so that you will understand the basics. After that we do some long questions. Okay, first question is 5 plus 4 by 7. Okay, the question is 5 plus 4 by 7. So, first of all, how do I solve this kind of question? First we take LCM of these two denominators, 1 and 7. 7 ones are 7. Then we cross multiply, 7 5s are 35 plus 1 4s are 4. 35 plus 4 is 39. 39 by 7 is the answer. But here 39 plus 7 is a fraction. But which fraction it is? Here numerator is 39 and denominator is 7. So when denominator is small compared with numerator, we call that fraction as improper fraction. But improper fraction, we always convert this into mixed fractions. So to convert this into mixed fractions, we divide the numerator with denominator. So when we divide this 39 with 7, 39 inside, 7 outside, 7 5s are 35, 9 minus 5 is 4, so remainder is 4. So this can be written as 5. The topmost number here, 7 and 4 remainder here. So the answer after dividing 39 with 7 is 5 4 by 7. 5 4 by 7. So just observe this answer and question. Both are looking same, right? 5 plus 4 by 7 is equal to 5 4 by 7. So this question answer is same. No need to do all this process every time. Just you can simply write the answer as 5 4 by 7. Now take some other numbers. 6 plus 5 by 8. So now also the same process. 6 plus 5 by 8. When you take LCM and by cross multiplying 6 and 8 plus 5 and 1, we get the same answer as 6 5 by 8. Okay, if you want me to check the answer once, then I will check. LCM is 8, 8 6 are 48, 5 ones are 5, 48 plus 5, 53 by 8. Now we divide this, 8 ones, 8 6 are 48, the nearest number. So 6 53 minus 48, 5 by 8. Okay, so 6 plus 5 by 8 is 6 5 by 8 only. One more number, 11 plus 7 by 10 is 11 7 by 10. No need to do all this process every time. But the trick is useful when the fraction is having less numerator compared to denominator. Like this fraction is there, 6 plus 5 by 8. In this, 5 is less than 8. 11, 7 by 10. 7 is less than 10. For example, if the fraction is 6 plus 8 by 5. So here numerator is more than denominator. In this case, we could not apply that shortcut. So please do remember that the numerator should be small to use this trick. Now we will check with subtractions. Now take one example. 4 minus 5 by 8. Okay, our normal process is taking LCM into 8, 4 8s are 32 minus 5, 5 ones are 5. 32 minus 5, 27, 27 by 8. And we divide this 27 with 8. 8 3s are 24. 7 minus 4, 3. The topmost number is here by 8, 3. 3 by 8 is the answer. Now, this is our normal method. Now I will tell you the shortcut for this. See, the question is 4 minus 5 by 8. Minus 5 by 8. We are doing subtractions. In additions, we just join the number and fractional part together to get the answer. But in subtractions, always less minus 1 from the integral part. So integral part is the numerical part. This is fraction, this is number. So 4 minus 1. Just reduce only 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. The difference of these two, 8 minus 5 is 3. By the denominator is same. 3 by 8. So that is our shortcut here. Now, one more question. 7 minus 2 by 9. So how do I do this? Using shortcut. First see the fraction, numerator is less than denominator, so you can apply the shortcut. 7 minus 1. Just reduce one number, difference of 9 and 2 is 7 by 9 is the answer. So friends, this is the basic concept. Now we are going to do some long questions. So remember these shortcuts. Okay, the question is 3 1 by 2 plus 6 1 by 4. Now we are going to add these two fractions. Just see the numbers 3 and 6. And fractions 1 by 2, 1 by 4. So write this as 3 plus 6. First we are writing these two numbers separately from these fractions, 3 plus 6, and 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4, we are writing it here. Just we have separated numbers and fractions, that's all. Add these two, 3 plus 6, 9, and add these two fractions. But how Do we add these two fractions by taking LCM of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4? 4 is LCM 2, 1, 2 2s are 4, 2 plus 1, 3 by 4. So instead of writing separately and solving this, just see here the bigger number is 4. So 4 is LCM. So just see here, to add any two fractions, the denominator should be same. So just make these two denominators equal. 4 is here. How do we equal this 2 with 4? By multiplying with 2. So multiply this also with 2. And write the fraction here. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3 by 4. So this is the answer. Without solving, without doing any calculations, you can just solve this. 3 plus 6 9. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. 17 minus 5 2 by 9. So this is subtraction. Now I am writing this as 17 minus 5 minus 2 by 9. I know that you are thinking now why I am writing 2 by 9 as minus 2 by 9. Okay, I will tell you. The fraction is 5 2 by 9, but this is not plus 5 2 by 9, this is minus 5 2 by 9. So minus of 5 2 by 9. So this minus applies to integral part as well as the fractional part also. So we write this fraction as minus of 5 plus 2 by 9. So this is equal to minus 5 minus of plus minus 2 by 9. That's why I am writing minus 5 2 by 9 as minus 5 minus 2 by 9. So are you clear now? Okay. Now subtract 17 and 5. 17 minus 5 is 12. 12 minus 2 by 9. But we have a shortcut with subtractions, right? So when we are subtracting, we just less with 1, write 11, difference of 9 and 2 7 by 9 is the answer. Okay. So this is easy. Instead of taking LCM of 9 and 1 and cross multiplying these two and these two, subtracting and writing, then dividing. So this is very easy compared with our normal method. Okay, our question is 1440 minus 513 by 4 plus 25 equal to what? We simplify this. I am writing it as 1440 minus 5 plus 25 minus 13 by 4. Okay, just I am writing all these numbers at one side and fractional part on other side. And are you clear with this? Why I am writing minus 34 here? Because this minus applies to integral part as well as fractional part also. So that's why I am writing 13 by 4 as minus 13 by 4. Now 1440 minus 5 plus 25 is plus 20. So 1440 plus 20 is 1460 minus 13 by 4 is a big number. minus 13 by 4, and fraction is also, numerator is more than denominator. So this is not an improper fraction, this is a proper fraction. This is a proper fraction. So we could not apply that shortcut which I told you in earlier questions. So now what should we do? We take LCM and solve? No. There is a simple method. See, now I am going to split this number as 1460. 1460 is the number. So this 60 I am going to split as 56, 1456 plus 4 minus 13 by 4. Okay, I am going to split this number as 1456 plus 4 minus 13 by 4. Now, let's simplify this by 1. So make these two denominators equal, into 4 into 4. 4 4 are 16. 16 minus 13 is 3. So write this as 1456 plus 3 by 4, which is equal to 1456 3 by 4. So are you clear now? Just because the fraction is proper fraction, that's why we split this number as 1456 plus 4 and we take LCM of only these two. So the answer is 1456 3 by 4. There is one more method also to solve this. I will tell you that method also. Okay, till here this is same. 1460 minus 13 by 4 is there. Numerator is bigger than denominator. So we can write this as 1460 minus 4 ones. The nearest multiple is 3. 4 3s are 12. The remainder is 1. So we can write this as 3 because 4 3s are 12. 3 1 by 4. Because 1 is remainder. 4 3s are 12. 1 is remainder. So I am writing it as 1 by 4. 3 1 by 4. Now 1460 minus 3 minus 1 by 4. Because this minus applies to this fraction also. 1460 minus 3 is 1457 minus 1 by 4. So there is a shortcut for subtractions. First we less one number in this and difference of these two 3 by 4. So this answer is same as our earlier answer. You can follow any one of these methods, both are easy. In our next video, we will solve some more questions on this. Okay friends, if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon and like my video.